Okay, we're back like promised. Issue number 18, number 63 of the Ecto Bill. Let's get busy with it. Okay, we got our parts out, and this is going to be the Latitude Longitude processor. All right, now we're going to put the hole furthest away from us as our starting point on the right side. And there are two pieces, and they're identical. Doesn't matter which one you use. It's got a pinhole. It's going to go to the first screw here, line up the pinhole, and we're going to secure that with a AP screw. Where did that go? I just think I just right in the AP screw. For some strange reason, the AP screws are silver. Those are the only ones that came with it. I guess they forgot the color. Alright, it's going to go straight in the back here. AP screw. Grab in the other one. Here's the pinhole. You put it there. Secure it. I don't want to ruin the pinhole. Alright. Now it went in the pinhole with an AP screw. Okay, moving right on down the line. What's wrong with that thing? Okay.
Okay, which app do you want to use?
I have no idea what you're talking to. I wasn't talking to you in the first place. Ooh. Okay, now these have little pinholes on the side, and that's to keep you, make sure you line it up right. You like that hole better? Nope, it doesn't matter. You may have to wiggle it a little, but it's going to go in there. You don't want to break the plastic. So just kind of, there we go. Secure that with an AP screw too. Okay. There we go. Now, there we go. Securing that with another AP screw right at the bottom. Okay. Now we don't screw. Our final piece. Doesn't have a, so you want the detail side facing towards the left, and we're going to secure that with an AP screw. This one doesn't have a guiding pin, so you just put it on the little square it sits on, and it's going to go in there with an AP screw. Just like, whoops, sorry about that. Just like so. Okay. That's my son. Okay. Now that that's done, with the curve end being the guide, means the back of the car. Let me pull this out over here. You can see, get the AP screws over there. Grab that, put this here. Okay. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pins. I'm gonna put just like this with the box in the back. Okay. And we're going to be screwing them down downwards with the silver screws. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do one. And I'm going to do the back one. Make sure it goes in nice and easy. And now I'm going to follow up with these two screws. And they are AP screws. Okay. And this will complete number 63. Just like that. 63 is done. Well, we're going to be moving to 64 in the next video. Hey, if you like what you saw, please hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. If you want notification of more of my builds, hit the notification button. Until next time, may the good news be yours.